beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Nora. Welcome back here again today. So I've gotten a whole lot of requests about a product I'll be talking about today. I've gotten a whole lot of requests to do a review on more caramel and normal skin lotion, like not a very serious whitening lotion, that kind of product. So the product I'll be reviewing today is strictly regarding such requests. So before we proceed, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a video. So now let me proceed without wasting your time. All right, so the product I'll be talking about today is called Q7 Luminarie products. All right, this is the product. This is their shower gel, Q10. So this is their shower gel. This is their shower gel, and it's okay. It comes as a 3-in-1 lotion. It has a sunblock lotion. This is the lotion. It has number 1, number 2, and number 3. So this number 1 is their day lotion. Is an intense lightening lotion. So it comes as number 1, number 2, which is their night lotion, and number 3, which is their sunblock. So this number 1, this is the Luminarie number 1. Is a dark spot corrector intensive lightening day lotion, and it comes in 300 ml container. That's it, 300 ml. All right, and this is their night lotion, Q7 Paris Luminarie number 2 hyperpigmentation control intensive lightening and rejuvenating lotion, also in 300 ml. And it also has their number 3, which is their sunblock. I'm going to put a picture of the sunblock. All of them comes in the same container like this, number 1, number 2, number 3. Then it has, this is their shower gel. This is their shower gel. This is the Q7 Paris Luminarie shower gel with carrot, papaya, and turmeric extract. 3-in-1 skin lightening, exfoliating, anti-aging. It has 3 different types of shower gel, but all of them comes in this kind of container. One is for this one now. This one is skin lightening, exfoliating, anti-aging. Then it has another one for that one has moringa and I think lemon. That one is for acne prone skin. And it has this face cream. They have 2 different types of face cream. All right, both are lightening face cream. This one is Q7 Luminarie multi-action intensive lightening face cream with vitamin C, glutathione. So it's written here at the down part: skin lightening, even skin tone, blemish control, luminous radiance, skin firming, moisturizing, dark spot corrector, hyperpigmentation control. This one, very nice face cream. So I'm going to show you what the face cream looks like. So this is the box, all right, and this is how the face cream looks like this. This very small cute container, and this is how you open it. Yeah, like this flip cover, and the content in it is white. All right, so it has another one. If you're the brand is really very coordinated, because they kind of work together to have products for every skin type. All right, so now this one, if you're acne prone skin, you can use this particular intensive lightening face cream of vitamin C and glutathione. So they have 2 types of face cream. I'm going to insert a picture of the other one. I don't have it here. They have 2 different types of face cream. The other one is for acne prone skin. Just the same way they have shower gel, they have another shower gel for acne prone skin. Just because this shower gel, every skin can actually use this, but they have a specific shower gel they prepared perfectly for acne prone skin. And also they have another face cream. Their face cream is 2, this one and another one in the same kind of pack, but different write-ups, of course. So the other one is for acne prone skin, all right, but the lotion is for all skin type. It's for all skin type. It has number 1, which is their day, number 2, which is their night, and another one which is the sunblock, the same container, but I don't have that one here. So I'm going to go deep now into explain to you, to read out what is written on it by the company, then I'll go ahead to explain further to you. All right, so it said the Luminarie range is the most powerful and effective of all the skin lightening product range that came before its staple of the Q7 Paris brand. That this is their most active product from this brand, Q7. This particular Luminarie line is their most effective, most active from this particular brand, Q7 Paris. So it says here, the Luminarie range is the most powerful and effective of all the skin lightening product range that came before it formed the stable of the Q7 Paris brand. With a delicately balanced formula, this lotion works in synchrony with other products in the Luminarie range to help give your skin a lighter, rejuvenated feel and appearance by specifically targeting skin blemishes such as hyperpigmentation, scars, spots, and skin discoloration. So this product is well prepared for all skin types. Even if you have the most sensitive of skin, you can use this product. All right. If you also have, another thing I have to chip in is this: if you have very sensitive facial skin, all right, you shouldn't go for this particular face cream. You should go for the other one for acne, because that one is for acne prone skin and for sensitive face, while this one is for every other skin skin type. All right, the other face cream is for acne prone skin and sensitive skin. All right, while this one can go for every other skin type, like normal, dry combination. Yeah, this one can go. But if you have sensitive and acne prone skin, the other one, the regular one, is for you. And another thing I have to say is this lotion is really good, and it's carefully prepared. Like, this is the most active in terms of skin lightening and skin repairing. It's a very rich formula. All right, it's not a sponsored video. Okay, I'm just giving my honest review about this product. So now, what else you need to know about this? A lot of people mistake this to be a whitening product. No, this is not the kind of lotion to give you 4 shades, 5 shades, 7 shades. No, this can give you at most 2 to maximum, with a prolonged use, 3 shades lighter. That's the highest it can go. So this can give you 1, 2 to 5 shades. So now, if you're dark skin, if you're caramel, you need something to tone you naturally, to lighten your skin naturally without stressing yourself out. Then you go and get this. This is their night lotion, and this is their day lotion. All you have to do is, after bathing with the shower gel. Another thing, if you want to get the full benefit of the Q7 new Paris, this is their new product, Q7 Paris set. If you want to get their full benefit, you need to use the whole range. That is using their day and night lotion, using their sunblock lotion. The sunblock is to help you maintain and keep any results you get from this product. So how to use it: after applying the day lotion, you go ahead and apply on top, like layer on top, their sunblock lotion. All right, so that's how to use it. During the day, you apply the day lotion, then you follow up with the number 3, which is their sunblock. It also comes in this kind of container. You apply that one on top. Your skin will look supple, moisturized, because it's really moisturizing. Then at night, after bathing again with your Q7 shower gel, you apply the night lotion, and you apply your face cream depending on your face type. You apply your face cream morning and night. So to get the full benefit of this product, you need to use the whole range. That's getting the number 1, number 2, the shower gel, the face cream. It also has a face serum. The face serum also comes in 2 forms: one for other skin type, then one for sensitive and acne skin type. So they kind of made this product wild to cover all skin types. You understand? So if you're aiming for 5, 6 shades, no, this product is not for you. So I've been getting that plenty requests to make review on products a caramel skin can use, or a product someone that can use to achieve a very bright caramel complexion. You can use this range and you would love it. You come back to thank me, right? This range will give you a very beautiful caramel skin. This product cannot whiten your skin, and don't get me wrong, a light skin can also use this. If you're very light, this can maintain your skin tone. You can use this as a maintenance product. This can maintain your skin tone. This can maintain your skin appearance, help with your skin texture, help even out your skin, help blend in hyperpigmentation, help blend in dark spots. All right, is like, as you can see, the night cream is hyperpigmentation control, and it's an intensive lightening and rejuvenating lotion. So it's going to rejuvenate your skin, take out dark spots, blend out your skin, and give you a beautiful natural lighter skin. But it's not going to give you 5 shades, 6 shades. No, it's not. So this product this product kind of gives this natural fairness, natural kind of skin tone. All right, and it helps with dark spots. If you want to even out your skin, or let's say you've really done serious skin whitening and you are at the edge of maintaining your result, you can actually use this range, because it's capable of even giving 1, 2 to 3 shades. So if you have achieved that level of skin tone you want, and you're looking for a good brand to maintain your result, you can use the complete range of this product to maintain your results. Another good thing about this product is that it's affordable. It's not expensive at all. It's very affordable. So if you want to get the benefit of this product, you need to buy the number 1, the number 2, you apply, and the number 3. So you apply the day lotion, okay, from your neck down. Then you now go ahead and apply the sunblock lotion, which also comes in the same kind of container, and that's the number 3. You apply that one on top. Then at night, you apply just the night cream. And you use the shower gel. Okay, you can use the exfoliating shower gel, but if you have dark spots, a lot of dark spots on your skin, or you have acne prone skin, then use the one with the moringa and lemon. Okay, that will work better for you. And this one is papaya. This exfoliating, this particular one is papaya, carrot, ginger and turmeric. So it has with carrot, papaya and turmeric extract. Very, very rich shower gel, and it's kind of milk color, and the color is milk and not orange. Let me see if I can bring up some so you see what it looks like. So this is what the shower gel looks like. So it's kind of creamy color, right? It's not orange. Like, you know, when you hear carrot, papaya, shower gel, you feel maybe it's orange. Okay, this one is kind of creamy and it has some apricot seed in it. It's a very good shower gel. Exfoliates the skin and it's kind of unifies the skin and even out the skin. And the lotion, if you have achieved very light complexion, you can use this maintain, because it's not, you're not going to get dark, and it's just continue lightening your skin in a very natural way and help you achieve an even skin tone and a lighter skin tone. So if you're also dark skin and you want to achieve a caramel skin tone, like you're dark, you want to achieve like 1, 2 to 3 shade lighter, this will do justice to your skin. Like, this will tone your skin gradually to that, you know, brighter caramel tone, and your skin is going to glow, and it's going to, you know, really beautify your skin. And the good thing about this product, it's naturally lighten the skin. Like, you won't look like you achieve the 3 shades with a strong product. It's a natural, it's something that will lighten your skin naturally without having dark spot, knuckles or discoloration. So I'm also going to read out what is the content, the important contents. Okay, I'm not going to be reading out everything, so I'm going to be reading out the important contents in it. All right, so it has water, mineral oil, stearic acid, glycerin, the active whitening stuff and lightening stuff, not whitening, it's not a whitening product. The active lightening stuff in it is kojic acid, alpha arbutin, lactic acid. So it has lactic acid, so it's really going to beautify. So that's for the night. Okay, the night lotion has lactic acid, so it's going to, so that's why it really works for hyperpigmentation. It works for dark spots, works for dark areas on the skin, dark stains. So it's going to even out your skin and make your skin look naturally fair. So it has lactic acid, it has kojic acid, it has alpha arbutin, it has mineral oil, it has kojic acid. So it also has sea butter, it has cocoa, and it has okay, benzyl alcohol. Okay, that's the last part of it. So, and it's under license of the A3 Association UK, United Kingdom. All right, and also it says this direction for use: expel into your palm, rub and gently massage onto skin until completely absorbed. Very nice. So let me read out the content of the day lotion. So the day lotion, okay, the day lotion also has alpha arbutin, has lactic acid, has kojic acid. So they have similar stuffs. So the day and night has similar stuff. Also has the kojic acid, has alpha arbutin, has the lactic acid. That's the day. So that's why you need to apply the sunblock lotion. That's why they made it 3. 1, 2, 3. Both contain lactic acid and both contain both contains lactic acid, both contain kojic acid, and both contain alpha arbutin. So you need to use the sunblock number 3, very important, because it contains lactic acid. All right, and lactic acid can make your skin sensitive to the sun, so that's why you need to apply the sunblock on. So instead of you not even getting the sunblock on, you can do away with the day lotion and use the sunblock lotion and the night lotion. If you want to do 2, if you want to do 2, maybe you don't want to go out getting 3 lotions, like maybe if it's too much for you to carry around and all that. So you can just do the sunblock lotion and the night lotion. So you apply the sunblock lotion is also a dark spot corrector lotion. The sunblock lotion. So you can apply the sunblock lotion during the day. It's very moisturizing, very, very moisturizing as well. So beautiful. I've tried that sunblock before. So you can just use the sunblock lotion during the day, then at night to apply the intensive lightening lotion, which also help control hyperpigmentation. And also make sure you shower with use the shower gel. From the company, it said clearly that for you to see the full benefit of this product, you need to use this complete range. And for the face cream, you use according to your facial type. If you're acne prone, you use the other type of the face cream. I'll try to see if I can insert the pictures of this product. So you use the other type of the face cream, not the vitamin C and glutathione one if you're acne prone. And also if you're acne prone, there's another serum again. It has a facial serum that you have to apply before the face cream. It's a complete set, with a complete range to help beautify your skin. So there is a serum you have to apply. Okay, this one has its own serum. The serum also comes in this container. just like this, exactly this pack, exactly like this too. So it has a serum you have to put on your face before you follow up with the face cream. Also, the one for acne also has its own face serum you have to put on your face before you put the face cream. Then you use the lotions the way I directed and shower using your shower gel. All right, let me read out what is written on the pack of the face cream as well. So they said the Luminarie range is the most powerful and effective of all the skin lightening product range that came before it from the stable of the Q7 after your choice of Q7 Pari Luminarie serum. So for you to get the best benefit of this face cream, you can use in combination with the serum. It also works without the serum, but for you to get outstanding results from it, use with the serum. All right. So ingredients contained in the face cream. About this product, okay, and I think let me just end this video. It's already getting too long, so that'll be the end of today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. And if you haven't subscribed, you are really missing out. This channel is a channel we'll do reviews of products that work. We do DIYs, pro mixing, you know, a whole lot of benefiting stuffs, and we run some free classes once in a while. So if you're not subscribed to this family, you are really missing out. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a wonderful video for you. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.